So now this is time to welcome our organizing secretary and to share about her, Madam Dr. Anupaka Oka, always support.
Thank you, sir. Hello.
Yes, madam.
Good morning.
Sorry for the interruption. And I would like to take the opportunity and privilege here to introduce our organizing secretary of INFES 2022 4th International Conference, Dr. Anupaka Oka, madam. Madam is contributing to the research and innovation for the last 3 decades, having numbers of publication and becoming the milestone for INFES 2022. Let us welcome our Professor, Dr. Anupaka Oka, madam, with the big hand from our side to have secretary message in this platform. It's always great honor to have you, madam, here in this platform. We would like to request you for your words to our all the global researchers and academics. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. May I continue? Can I continue? Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you. On behalf of Eudoxia Research University, Newcastle, USA, and Eudoxia Research Center, New Delhi, I, Organizing Secretary, Dr. Anupama Vinay Oak, Principal of Riddhi Vinay College of Nursing, India. A warm welcome to one and all. To our distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, with immense pleasure, I welcome everyone to this much awaited conference, and I am honored to be standing in front of you all, that is among the most esteemed personalities who have won accolades in their respective fields. I wholeheartedly welcome our honorable chief guest, respected director of Eudoxia Research Center, and all our other guests. Once again, I welcome you all to this online 4th International Conference on New Frontiers in Engineering, Science, Law, Management, Humanities, and Social Sciences 2022. Before we kickstart this online conference, I would like to express my gratitude for your sincere contribution to mark this event as a huge success. It won't have been possible without the support of each and everyone present here. The prestigious speakers in this program are uniquely placed to debate, discuss, and highlight the key points, trends, and reform in the system for the audience. It will be great to hear about our keynote speakers about the influence, priorities, development, and comparison to international standards in the same field. We have arranged a paper presentation opportunity for our delegates to put forth their reforming thoughts in this vast field. As a keynote speaker, I would like to add that Eudoxia Research Center is creating an atmosphere for researchers and academicians for innovation and the application of this innovation into the real world by transforming their imagination into reality. The vision of Eudoxia is to provide quality education and training to youth and professionals for international excellence in accordance with its broader vision to generate employment and creating awareness towards the entrepreneurship with threefold approach: research and innovation, quality professional education, and corporate leadership. The Eudoxia Research Center is a platform for quality and professional research with direct classroom teaching and virtual learning courses for online research and innovation opportunity. Thus, the scholars of Eudoxia Research University will have the privilege to interact with the international experienced faculty members by using live virtual online Zoom platform and other newly introduced technologies by our organization. Eudoxia is devoted for the overall growth of academic and research for common people, scholars, and student society. Eudoxia Research Center is always encouraging the researchers and academicians to submit their ideas, research proposals, startup ideas, patent idea and imagination for funding and scholarship for the organization. The goal of Eudoxia Research University is to reduce the gap between the market demand and the academic research work. Eudoxia Research Center is always encouraging production of new technology, smart devices, new machines, agriculture research, pure and applied science research, social sciences and humanities research, management research, data science research, machine learning, and other newly developed areas of research. Eudoxia University is always providing opportunity to the researchers and academicians for innovation and entrepreneurship from different countries in the world. Presently, Eudoxia Research University is conducting research in the field of qualitative, quantitative research, experimental research, mixed method, robotic and coding, etc. The goal of the international conference aims to provide an opportunity to academicians, researchers around the world to discuss and share the contemporary issues of research, innovations, qualitative and quantitative research, mixed method research, design and experimental research. This international conference INFES is to provide a forum for constructive criticism, commentary and discussion about the key methodological issues in the multidisciplinary research field, with the crucial emphasis on providing actionable and realistic recommendations and that solve issue in research and innovation in a pragmatic manner. Aim of this peer-reviewed conference is to bring together the world's leading academicians, scholars, and eminent speakers, leaders to increase our understanding of emerging scientific issues and research methodology. This international event will establish the comprehensive relation for future research, innovation, collaboration under supervision of Eudoxia Research University. I wish you all the best and hope you all have a pleasant creative session for this coming next 3 days. I thank the organizing committee for giving such a huge platform to raise this issue and find out the solution for current issues such as this pandemic period. I declare that the conference is open for further proceeding. Thank you so much. I really thank you. Special thanks to our director, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. Thank you very much. And I would like to request each and everyone to give the big hand to our Dr. Anupaka Madam.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
The organizing secretary of INFES 2022, officially announcing each and every point of our international conference, how our researchers can coordinate with each other, how they can put forward their innovative ideas, how patent can be carried out by them, and it will enhance the quality of research and innovation in all around the world. My appreciation to our organizing secretary, Professor Dr. Anupaka Madam. In this platform, I would like to share here that 3 organizations from 3 different countries organizing this INFES 2022. I would like to share here with our addition to our organizing secretary, Madam Dr. Anupaka Madam. That's our Eudoxia Research University, Newcastle, United States of America, Eudoxia Research Center, New Delhi, India, and Mariam Abbasa American University of Nigeria, Kano. We have jointly organized, and we have seen that our organizing secretary, Dr. Anupaka Madam, justified that each and every point as an organizing secretary and clarify the points to the researchers so that they can share their research and innovation. Again, our appreciation to Anupaka Madam with the big hands of.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Namaste.
Thank you, sir.